As a member of our team, you have access to Ylopo, and you have an individual IDX feed, which is basically a public-facing or consumer-facing MLS. And your page is going to vary in name. The public page for the team is search.mattstoneteam.com. You will have your own individual page that typically is your first name. So there's abby.mattstoneteam.com. This is your public search site. So if you are out and you want to share a listing with a potential prospect, or you're at an open house and somebody wants to start searching for homes, you can flip your laptop open to this individual site, and this is going to create registration, showing inquiries, and that sort of thing for the prospect who is with you right then. You can also share a link to this individual feed where folks can search for listings, and it will be attributed to you. So if this comes back to the team and they want to see a house, or they set their own search, or whatever may happen, that is going to be your listing. So today I want to share with you what you can do when you see a new listing. Hit our new listing channel in Slack as an individual agent on the team, rather than just scraping those MLS photos or sharing an MLS link, or certainly do not share a Zillow link or a Realtor.com link. Those are third-party portals. Those websites have a vested interest in getting the consumer to stay in their ecosystem. And you want, of course, the consumer on your search site, which is equally as robust. And today I'm going to show you when a listing hits what you can do. So I just listed my home for sale. When you see the address, you would go to the address button right here on the right, punch in that property address. It is going to take you to a general feed of homes in that vicinity. You'll want to click on the actual house that you want to share. So in this case, we're going to click on the home that was just listed by our team. You'll want to scroll down to this share button right here, and you can grab a URL right there by copying the link. You can also directly share this by integrating it with your Facebook page. You can also share this link via email or Pinterest or Twitter. I don't use those two things, but you can do that as well. But by copying this link, you can drag this into your Facebook or Instagram and share this home. And the benefit of this versus just sharing the photos, again, is that folks are taken to this website where they can schedule a tour, they can schedule a video tour. It's going to prompt them for times. This is a really powerful way to grab the consumer and allow them to make an inquiry versus just sharing a Zillow link or just sharing photos. They're less likely to engage and drop comments when it comes as like an individual request or a direct message. They're much more likely to go ahead and take this path of least resistance and tap this tour the home button. And again, when you're sharing a search site and it is your individual search site on the team, like abby.mattstoneteam.com, that is going to be attributed to you. So when that inquiry is made from the consumer, whether that's being shared out with your friends or family, that's going to come back to you, and it's going to be your lead and your prospect. If you don't know the name of your individual search site, please reach out. Paula can get that over to you, and we're happy to help along the way.